I'd like to start off this presentation with a quick question. What intrigues you the most about life? I guess for many people it's different things, what piques their different interests. What about life itself? Does that intrigue you? Well, biology is the study of life itself. The physical components, of course. The scientific components, of course. I'm a biology major. This is my second year of college so far. And in between of high school to now, I've taken many science courses in itself. From freshman high school biology to now my second year in college, biology for science majors. And really what I want to talk about today is how being a biology major opens many job opportunity doors for me, many diverse ones. Biology is one of those subjects that goes hand in hand very easily with other ones, so it makes many job opportunities. And today I will be discussing a few of them that I find interesting. The first one is a biotechnician, or biology technician. A biotechnician basically conducts lab experiments, analyzes data, creates graphs, and basically applies prior knowledge that they've used in courses to now. So it should be very simple for someone who's taken many labs and many science courses. They typically work under a scientist supervisor sort of thing, but usually the scientists will allow you a lot of lenient time if you do your job right to do experiments on your own, and of course there's an opportunity to be the actual scientist later. According to U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, on average, an annual salary for a biology technician is $43,800 a year and $21 per hour. The minimum education to obtain this job is a bachelor's degree, which is great. Next on my list is a medical and health service manager. Basically, with a medical and health service manager, what they do is they interact with health service professionals to discuss their scientific policies and procedures. They must have very good communication skills and essentially very good evaluation skills, since they are the more higher upper and in charge of businesses that involve medical things. They often hire, supervise, and evaluate health professionals and researchers. According to U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, they state they might manage an entire facility, special clinical area, or department, or even a medical practice. Again, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, they make on average $98,350 per year and $47 per hour, $47 per hour, with a minimum education and bachelor's degree as well to obtain this job, which is great. And then finally on my list, I have a crime scene investigator, which we've probably all heard of in one episode or another. And what they do is they secure crime scenes, gather evidence, testify findings in court, and of course they label and do all other sorts of things, which is a little too long to discuss right now. In order to be a crime scene investigator, you must be prepared to work in all sorts of environments, ranging from inside houses to even in murky fields, and of course all types of weather conditions as well. You must be able to work around bodily fluids as well, and of course disturbing sights, because typically crime scene investigators work on crime scenes for murders. Of course there's other crime scenes such as burglaries where they can get fingerprints and such. And as I said earlier, they testify in court, so when in court, one must be knowledgeable of their evidence, they must be alert to answer questions that might be thrown at them to really throw them off track, and of course be organized and ethical. Being ethical in the sense of sticking to the facts and not letting personal opinions alter what you're saying about the evidence and such. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, they state on average they make $27,000 to $52,000 annually, and so that'd be somewhere between $2,000 and $4,000 monthly. With education-wise, they'd have 2 to 6 years, depending on where you'd want to work, what the department requires, and things of that nature. And this basically concludes my presentation about the diversity of these jobs, ranging from the biological technician, the medical services manager, and the CSI. And I encourage you to further explore into many other career opportunities for biology majors, because they really, like I've said, it's a topic that goes hand in hand with many other majors. So there's a lot of opportunities, and hopefully I helped you learn something you didn't before about biology majors. Thank you.